Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be taking a look at the Petrified Fish Hairtail. We'll see how this stacks up against the other Petrified Fish knives and against all the other knives that I've been reviewing lately. I'm excited to check this one out. Here we go. Very nice Petrified Fish sticker here. Really neat looking microfiber cloth. This is the Hairtail. I did get it in the carbon fiber version, and it almost looks like ebony wood or like an ebony laminate. Very neat. And it's a very good sized knife as well. I'll clean off this oil here. Firestone, what do you think of this?
I think it's cool. Really awesome.
Yeah, let's check it out.
And I like the blade of it. It's really cool.
Interesting. Nice pocket clip. Very good lockup. Very smooth action. Like a rocket. Some specs on the Hairtail. We have an overall length of 8.35 inches, a blade length of 3.54 inches, a handle length of 4.8 inches, a handle thickness of 0.63 inches, and a blade thickness of 0.16 inches. We have an overall weight of 5.26 ounces or 149 grams. The handle on the Hairtail is comprised of a micarta and carbon fiber, kind of like plywood, but when milled out like that, kind of gives it a, I don't know, what do you think this handle looks like?
It looks like a burnt tree or something like that.
Yeah, it kind of actually does like a burnt tree, like a stick, or kind of a zebra or tiger stripe, some sort of interesting finish on there when it's milled out. The blade rides on cage ceramic ball bearings. It is K110, finished in a stone-washed gray. I noticed on top that there is a lack of jimping on here. And not every knife has to have jimping, but once you have jimping on knives, you kind of expect it on most of them. And maybe this one wasn't designed that way, but I sure think it would help. There's two jimps. Is that a word? There's two jimps on here. It doesn't come over the top. Still easy to grab. See if you can push button this. Yeah, you can push button the knife. So, just kind of curious why there's not, but easy with left hand. It's very attractive. It's also a pretty substantial knife. It's got some weight to it. Let's hear this knife make a little bit of noise. Not a lot of noise. It's got some solid sound though to it. Firestone, what are your thoughts? You want to hold this?
Sure.
Okay, check it out.
That is crazy. And it looks like it's like a stone like feeling.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you call that stone wash finish?
Yep, gray stone wash finish.
Yeah. And you got the PE or Petrified Fish.
The PF.
Oh, so that.
Yeah, those periods kind of make it look like an E.
Yeah.
What do you think you'd use this knife for?
I would use it for gutting an animal, a fish.
Okay. I wonder if they thought about that when they were designing these knives. Cleaning fish or cleaning an animal out. Very smooth. I would say this knife would be big for large, extra large, even double extra large hands. I don't know if I would choke up on here. Maybe you could, but that's dangerously close to that blade. Let's do some size comparisons. First up, we have Savivi's Vision FG, the Petrified Fish Tenna. These are all large, almost going into extra large pocket knives, and I'm okay with that. They're all great and they all have their own purpose. And then one last size comparison here. This knife that Firestone just set out is the CJRB Mini Pyrite. As you can see, the hairtail is much larger than the Mini Pyrite, but these are both designed that way for a reason. This one being an excellent 5th pocket knife and this one being an excellent regular pocket knife. Thank you so much for spending time with us and checking out the hairtail. This is your host, Darkwater, and Firestone. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and like this video.
And share and comment.
Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.
See you in the next one.